Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your Notes of Cheer card kit. Here's what our projects will look like when we're finished. I'm going to leave them here on the table so that you can have them for reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. Most everything is included in your kit, but you may also need some scissors, and don't forget your printed instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. This kit also comes with pre-printed sentiments in multiple languages. The choice is up to you. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. For me, it's easier to create one project at a time. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. Use adhesive dots for adding flat images or dimensionals for added height. Your instructions are a great resource for seeing what adhesive is used where, as well as exactly where to put everything for each individual project. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause and rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these beautiful cards. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to share these cards with someone I care about, and I hope you'll share yours as well. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from at StampinUp.com. Click Shop Product, and then Kits Collection to find your next creative experience. Enjoy!